Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this dash cam that I got sent out for review. Let me tell you that I am impressed. This is a really good camera, really complete. It has everything you will need to install it. It has the dash cam, the big one, and two small cameras that won't affect any visibility on your car. I will show you how you can install it. And it comes with this cable. This one is for the cameras, and of course there is a charger and the manual of instructions. Also, it comes with some films so you can protect your cameras, and also with some double-sided stickers that you will be using to install the cameras. Okay, so everything you need to install them is here included. Okay, so let's just show you how you can install these cameras. Here is the first one. This is like the main one that you will be installing right here in the front glass of your car. And now let's install one of the small ones. In this case, we are going to set it up so it does look to the inside. It is focused on the inside. And the other one, we are going to set it up so it has a rear vision. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you also how you will be installing it so the cables are not hanging around. So here we just remove the film because it won't look very well if you don't. Here you will be installing this cable, one of the cables that I showed you before, and this one is installed in this main camera. Here is a very long cable, and this is how you will be setting up this cable here to this front camera, the one that is looking to the inside of the car. And this is the cable, okay? So now you can see how the cable is super long and it is hanging around. So it comes with these little clips that you will be using to set up the cable from some points, but the main idea is that you hide away the cables so that they are not visible within the car, okay? So here we are putting the cable right here, but we are going to show you also how you can hide them, okay? So here is the other side of the cable that is connected to the main camera. And now we are going to connect these cameras so you can actually have power and start to turn on, okay? So here will be connected to the USB cable, and these will be connected to the car right here, to the lighter here. And now you can start turning on the camera and see the video. You can set up here some settings. You can set up the language, and you can set up the time and day. Okay, so this is the rear camera right here. We are installing it here. Just remove the sticker, and as you can see, they are super small, so they won't affect the visibility of the driving at all. And here is the cable that we have already installed and put within the car so it is not visible. So here is the cable already connected, and the cable is here, as you can see, and it's passed through here to the side and within the cover from the car. So I'm gonna show you here. It is hidden, and it is passed through all the side of the car until it comes this way. You cannot see it, but it's there. Here it is again, and now in the door and a little bit on the side of the window. So it is perfect for discretion, and you have the car already set up. Very secure. So if you are using your car as an Uber, or just if maybe your teenager is using your car and you want to make sure that he's driving safely, or that he doesn't have any accident or anything, you will be setting this up, and it will be very helpful. So you can also use the micro SD card right here that you will be using to, of course, record some of the videos of your drives. And you can change these as well. And here is the view of the rear camera. As you can see, it's really nice. It's really knitted. And of course, right now we are getting the sunlight. That's why it looks very bright. But I'm going to show you also the focus of the other camera so you can see how it looks. This one is the one that it's focusing on the inside of the car. So let's just use it and see how it looks. As you can see, it's really nice and good quality. And now let's just take a look a little bit to the camera of the outside in the front, which will be the main camera. Here is the night vision of the inside camera that we have set up as well. Also, we have some views of the main camera. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of how it looks from the daytime. This is the driveway, as you can see, and this is how it looks. So I'm sure that you will be loving this camera as much as we did.